This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw this rectangle. This rectangle has a dimension of 55 by 70 unit. Then it has a extrude boss of 30 unit. After that, we can see we have another extrude cut rectangle in this face, and this extrude cut rectangle has a dimension of 45 unit by 8 unit. Okay, then I will extrude cut it to through all. After that, we can see we have two extrude cut circle in the upper face. Okay, this two extrude cut circle has a dimension of 22 diameter and they are apart from 18 unit from here, and this two circle has a distance of 34 unit and their this distance is 30 unit. Okay, so let's draw this portion first. So I am selecting the top plane here. Okay, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the center rectangle, place the center rectangle here, now dimension it to 70 by 55 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 30 unit. I am reversing the direction. Now press OK. So after that, I will select the front plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a corner rectangle. Place the corner rectangle in this corner. Now dimension. Now the height is 80 unit and the horizontal dimension is 45 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now select through all both. Now press OK. So after that, select this top face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and draw a circle of 22 diameter, and again select another circle, draw a circle of 22 diameter. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool. Now from this circle to this horizontal line, the distance is 18 unit. Okay, and from this circle center to this vertical line, the distance is 30 unit. Okay, setting the distance to 30 unit. Now both the circle has a center to center distance of 34 unit. Okay, now set the dimension to 34 unit. So this portion has been done. Now select this circle and select this vertical line and set the distance to 30 unit, or you can use the center to center relation of this circle. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now use extrude cut through all both. Now press OK. Okay, this portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, from the left plane or left face, we can see we have a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 17 unit by 25 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 105 unit minus 55 unit, and after extrude bossing this surface, we can see we have another rectangular surface, and this rectangular surface has a dimension of 15 unit by 25 unit, and it has a extrude boss of 30 unit. Then we can see we have a fillet of radius 15 here. Okay, we have fillet of radius 15 here. Okay, let's do this portion. So I am selecting the left face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now zoom out, select the center rectangle, a corner rectangle, place the corner rectangle here. Now the height is 17 unit. Now the dimension is 25 unit of horizontal distance. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 105 unit minus 55 unit. Okay, sorry, let me edit sketch. It is 105 unit minus 55 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now this portion has been done. Now select this upper face. Now sketch. now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle again and place the corner rectangle here, and this time the dimension is 25 by 15 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 30 unit. Okay, extrude bossing it to 30 unit. Now select the fillet option, now fillet set to radius 15. Now rotate this model, now select this edge, now press ok. Now isometric it for better view. Let's go to our sketch. In our sketch, uh, in this face, okay, uh, we have a rectangular shape like this one, and for drawing this rectangular shape, first of all I'll draw a center line from here, and this center line has a distance of 40 unit. Then I will draw two offset line, one is here and another is here, and this two offset line has a dimension of 46 divided by 2 unit. Then I close the offset line, then I will extrude boss it to 25 unit. After that, in the upper portion we have another triangle rectangular cut, and for doing this rectangular cut, I will again draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 40 unit. Then we have total dimension of 30 units, so I'll offset two line, so the half dimension will be 30 divided by 2, 15 unit. Then I'll close the shape, then I'll extrude cut it to 15 unit. Okay, let's demonstrate. So I'm selecting this upper face, now sketch, now normal to it, now zoom out, now select a center line, now place a center line here and draw a center line of 40 unit. Okay, now go to offset entities, select this line, and the dimension is 46 divided by 2. Now bidirectional capping line, now press ok. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 25 unit. Now press ok. Now select this upper face, now sketch, now normal to it, now zoom out, now select the center line again, draw a center line of 40 unit. Okay, after drawing the center line, select the offset entities, and from the offset entities, as the select this of center line, and as the total dimension is 30 units, so 30 divided by 2, so it will be 15 unit. Make sure to click the bidirectional capping line. Now press ok. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to 15 unit. Now press ok. So as you can see, we have drawn our theory sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.